Hey there, what's she up to now? Day 3031. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Usually I share what's going on with me, but today I'm like, I just want to ask, how can I help? One of my favorite questions has become over the last, I'd say, decade plus, how can I help? Why? Because I think we're all here to be of service to other human beings, meaning help other human beings in any way, shape, or form that we're capable of. I generally help businesses because I've got over 5 decades of running, owning, operating, starting, divesting myself of different businesses in at least 27 different industries. I've worked with more industries than that, but I personally own a business in 27 different industries. It's a lot. I think that entrepreneurs get me because that's how entrepreneurs are. We're always looking for ways to make the world a better place via something that we can help create in the world, which is super exciting and super fun. If you have, a crazy brain that goes in a million miles an hour all the time in a bunch of different directions. I wondered when I was a kid growing up, and now I know for sure since I've had 2 children that have been diagnosed with ADHD, that's probably how my brain automatically functions. I'm not going to get tested. I'm not going to go have some doctor diagnose and prescribe something for me because guess what? ADHD, having a super fast active brain, is a superpower. It's also a competitive advantage in so many situations. At least I found it to be so. So today we're talking about regulating emotions, and I tie that into mental health and well-being in that we feel our emotions first and foremost, and then it's up to us to rein them in, take control over them by using our capabilities of thinking and reasoning and choosing how we want to react and respond to all the different stimuli and all the different things that happen in our life. So thinking about that today, covered that for both the Supersize challenges, Supersize You Personal Development Challenge, and it's my 9th year in a row doing a personal development challenge. Why? Because 9 years ago, I wanted to be able to make a video without throwing up, without crying, without having to take 30 takes to get out a 20-second video. And I challenged myself, and in 2017, I actually made a few videos, and I was still scared stiff. And in 2018, I made a commitment to myself that I was going to do a video a day that year. Well, it turns out another ClickFunnels 2 Comma Club award winner. If you know what that is, you know what that is. If you don't, it doesn't matter. It's just an award for online marketing people. And he started a group, and about 100 of us started the project where we would record on and post it in a private Facebook group every day for a year. We could record a topic on whatever we wanted, anything under the sun. So I usually shared one of my videos I was doing. Or sometimes I talked about different topics. Sometimes I did different styles. Once I got banned from Facebook for 3 weeks, I don't even know how I did that, to be honest. Facebook and other people's platforms can be a fickle thing. That's what I tell everybody. Build something of your own, something you own, not on other people's platform, so that you maintain control of the things that you're creating in the world. Problem of creators, apparently. So learned to get on video. Now, I also realized that after 9 years, my videos still kind of suck, and I need to do something about that. So I've just started, I separated my YouTube account, and then AI told me I should put them back together again because there's no point in having them separate, but to reorganize them in a different way. So I am in a 90-day challenge that I will honestly admit not doing awesome in because I'm falling into and identifying my old patterns of ways of being. And one of those is I always have to have a gazillion sources for everything and then figure out what to do based on all those sources. Opposite move of what this coaching is teaching. It's like, hey, one source, follow it, implement everything to a T, and then see what kind of results you get before you tweak and test and play with it. Now, I like to tweak and test and play with things along the way, but that is a recipe for failure in this particular situation. And so I forced myself to go back to the beginning, start over. Everybody else is rocking and rolling, and I'm actually starting over at the beginning again. Because I know that I need to follow the directions, listen to and absorb all the training step by step in the order it's laid out and proposed to us. Imagine that, following someone else's system. I always want people to follow my systems, but I don't want to follow theirs. There is a mismatch, right? All right, I'm not going to wander and just babble for the rest of today. If I can help you in any way, seriously, reach out and ask. Have an amazing day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow. Bye. I'm definitely having trouble